So, but this is an easy way with 3 ingredients. We have the thyme, we have the honey, we have the organic lemon, and of course 200 milliliter of water. But that's it. And you have a pretty nice, natural, without any chemicals, cough drops, cough syrup,
Cough syrup.
cough syrup.
Cough syrup. Okay.
And it can, as I said, the best to keep the cough syrup in the fridge. If you store in a cool, dark place, it will keep several weeks. I don't know. I mean, 3 weeks, 4 weeks.
3 to 4 weeks.